Hello guys, I know it's been like a whole minute, like it's been a very long minute, like it's almost a month and I've not been here, I've not dropped any video. A lot has been going on with my life and everything. So I decided to do a vlog today. Like I didn't even plan to do this vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but we're gonna just have fun and see where it goes. I'm going to just go and have my bath now because it's really early in the morning, and sorry about the dog. My neighbor's dogs kill me literally. So I'm going to go have my bath and I'll be right back. So literally I had my bath a long time ago, but there was no lights for me to be able to shoot this other video that I want to shoot now. So basically what I want to do right now is I want to do my makeup. I want to do a quick glam, very fast glam. I want to do some hairstyle tutorials for Instagram and all that. So while I'm doing my makeup, I'm going to be telling you why I haven't been on YouTube, literally. Okay, basically, let me first tell you guys one of the reasons why I haven't been on YouTube, literally. So literally, a certain brand contacted me, like brands contacted me right recently on Instagram to work with them. So this one was like a skincare brand. They wanted me to be an ambassador for their skincare line. So they sent me some products. Literally, you guys know that I really do not have so much skin problems. I just have oily skin. Like they didn't even ask me what my skin is like. I'm trying to bash the brand, but I felt like if you're gonna send me products, you're able to ask me what's your skin type. Are you sensitive? Are you, you know, that kind of question. Like, literally, I just tried the products for like a week, and sis, I'm still dealing with the breakout on my face. Like, see, like I had to stop everything. My face is just in a dire mood. Like I was having pimples and all that. Like everything was just out there. My face is not like a different color. I don't even know what's going on right now, but I stopped using the products and I need to make rice water soon because that's what works for me. So literally another reason why I haven't been posting videos also is because I felt really ill at a particular time. Like I was really sick. I don't even know why. I don't know if it's not corona, and it had the same symptoms. I had cough, I had cold and other things like aches and everything. But I'm way better now because I always eat healthy and boost my immune system. So I was really like I was weak. I think there was a time I made a video that I told you guys that I was really sick, and then I was recovering. Actually, I got better. Like I was better. Honestly, I was actually better. I was really sick. I thought I was getting better, so I made a video for you guys. That's when I made my last video because I thought I was getting better. But I got better actually. I was feeling better. My voice was coming back and everything. I'm looking at the mirror right by the ways. But after a while, I got sick again. Like I literally got sick again. I literally want to give a thumbs up to influencers that try to balance Instagram posts and Instagram like brand Instagram what am I saying? What I mean to say is, or what I meant to say is that I literally give like big up to influencers that actually creates content for both Instagram and YouTube. Like it was really exhausting because I was sick. I had brand creation things to do. I had so many things to do like for brand on my Instagram. Another reason why I haven't been on here might be because I met someone. I'm not really sure yet, but like it's like something that it's, you know, it's in the works, seeing how it goes. And yeah, anywho, I've applied the concealer to my eye, a little bit brighter, a little bit of that concealer gives you that I don't know how to explain it, but it makes your eyes wake up, like wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, come back to life. Like it gives me that, all that. That's what this gives me. Anyhow, am I done? Not yet. So now I'm going to take my spray bottle of plain water. Like you guys know, if you're watching my channel, I always use this for my hair. Just plain water. So I'm just going to spray on my face to set my makeup. And so I'm done with the makeup and everything. My hair is very rough. I did this hair myself, so y'all don't laugh at my hair. it's already like 3 weeks now or so or something. So literally, I want to do a video for Instagram showing, or a picture actually, showing different styles of how to pack your hair, your braids or something like that. Yeah. So you guys are still with me for today. I'm still showing you how my day is going. Like, I don't want to call it a day in my life because I feel like it's not a day in my life. It's just me just showing you behind the scenes of how I do my stuff and how I, do things nowadays. I literally wrote down some styles down that I want to do for the Instagram pictures and everything. I'm going to be using my camera to take the pictures, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to go and style my hair for the first look and I'll be right back. I'm done with my whole hair video thing and all that. Like, this is not the video you hoped for. So guys, this is like 2 days after the last time I ended up going out that night. I went to the restaurant, just have some fun with my girls, and today I just came back from jogging. Like, I went to work out literally. So now I want to make rice water because I am breaking out, as you can see, breaking out. This is just not in a good spot right now. I'm about to make my rice water, but I just don't want to waste my rice. And I want to make a little bit of breakfast with the remaining rice from the rice water. So, say hi to my rice water. Okay. Watching me eat is weird because I'm holding my camera. So literally, I took a long nap and I'm back now. I was supposed to go out today, but there's rain and all that, so I'm just going to stay in and take out my braids because I'm tired of this hair. So I'm done taking out my hair and I've really missed my hair. Like, all this color has been hidden for so long. Yo. Literally, this is the end of my vlog. It's been like a wonderful time hanging out with you guys, even though it was mostly uninteresting. The end was not that bad, and my hair is literally, I just did my hair, so it's wet and it has white stuff in it. So thank you very much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do something on the bell button so you know. Subscribe. Click on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. And thank you very much. Love you guys always. Bye.